Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in this video, I wanted to do something a little different. Excuse the mess in the background. But we're using live focus, the live focus feature. So it's like, it blurs out the background. So perhaps you won't see the mess in the background, or perhaps you will, who knows. But anyways, in this video, I wanted to just share some questions to get to know me a little better, I guess. But I will say this, it is hot. It is hot today, hot. But anyways, let's get into the questions. If you do not know who I am, first let me introduce myself. My name is Amber Turner, and I am the author of You Choose Your Outfit, and outfit is the metaphor for your reality and or experience. I'm also the CEO of Girl Censored, and Girl Censored is our women's, with the camera, and Girl Censored is our women's apparel line, and we believe in being bold, being loud, and being confident. Yes. You can find out more about Girl Censored at girlcensored.com. You can also download our app. I haven't been promoting the fact that we have an app, but we do have an app, and you can shop the app. It's available for Apple and Android devices, and you can find that in the appropriate stores. But anyways, let's get into the questions. So who is my hero? Oprah. And not just because Oprah is like $1 billion brand. Her name is like, if anyone says her name, you know exactly who you're, like Mariah, and there's Oprah. Like if you say their names, you know exactly who they're talking about. Now if you say like Tom, you don't know. You might not know who I'm talking about, but I'm talking about Tom Hanks. I'm a big fan of Tom Hanks as well. But my hero is Oprah because I just love her story. I love how she has managed to, one, bring spirituality into the mainstream and start talking about things beyond just entertainment. Started talking about things like your soul and your spirit and your purpose into the mainstream when no one else was talking about that at the time when she started talking about that. And I just think that's amazing that she was able to do that and be like a trailblazer for that sort of thing. Hey, TT, I'm making a video. So I'm a big fan of hers for that. Not only that, her story of being able to rise above adversity and be the mogul that she is, I think is just amazing. And who doesn't love those kind of hero stories? So she's definitely a hero of mine. If you could live anywhere, where would it be? Wow, probably California if it wasn't hella expensive. Very expensive. California, I just feel like it's a high vibe type of place. Like there's like high vibrations. I'm almost done. Wow.
Oh, not as nimble as I used to be.
Okay. If I could live anywhere, I would probably choose, if I could choose anywhere, I forgot where I was off. Next question. So the last question for this video is, what is my passion? So that's interesting. I feel like I have so many passions, but when it boils down to what my true passion is, it definitely is creating and producing. I love producing shows. I love producing events. I love creating content. I love creating products, which, you know, can take me in a lot of different directions. But the main thing I really enjoy is producing shows and producing events. That's something that just brings me joy. Now, the thing behind producing and creating content is like, especially when I create content, I want people to take something away from that. I want them to feel moved in some sort of way where they feel empowered, or they feel like they can move through fear if they're experiencing fear, that they can do whatever they want to do for their life. I love doing that. I love creating content that I feel can do that for other people. And it is my hope that it does do that for other people. And when I produce events and when I produce shows, that brings me joy in sort of the same way, especially when I do events, I like to produce an experience. I want people to feel something. When they come to my event, I want them to feel like a rock star. I want them to feel just like amazing. That is like the drive behind me producing events. And with shows, I want people to feel moved or entertained, or they can forget about the responsibilities that they have to deal with and that sort of thing. I want them to feel good. I want them to laugh. I want them to feel inspired. And so anything that I do is like, I want people to feel something. And even with my makeup and Girl Censored, I want women to feel sexy. I want them to feel good. I want them to feel confident. And that's the drive behind my brand, is that I want people to feel something that makes them feel good, something that makes them feel whatever it is that they want to feel. Like, I want them to feel good at the end of the day. And so I'm very intentional when I produce content. I'm very intentional when I create shows. I'm very intentional when I create anything, because I want people to feel good. And that, I guess what was the question again? What was the question? What was my passion? Was it passion? If that was the question, then that's the answer. But anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I do videos on business, life, and everything in between. I hope you guys enjoy this kind of content. If you do, let me know in the comments, like, what kind of things you want to hear from me and see from me and that sort of thing. We got some cool projects. I'm excited about this new show that we're going to produce here soon, but I have to keep it a secret at this moment in time, but I know you guys are going to love it. We also have Colorado's Grand Talent premiering July 3rd, so look out for that. Also, if you want to learn more about my book, You Choose Your Outfit, I'm going to leave the link below for that as well. And you can find out more about my book and the things that I do at ambermarieturner.com. Anyways, you guys, I hope you have an amazing day, and I will check you in the next video. Peace.